I respectfully salute our country's illustrious Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and our Honorable Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji and our Member of Parliament Dr. Mahesh Sharma ji and our District President Shri Gajendra Mavi ji. Sir, today I am feeling very sad, and I think the whole country today is feeling like me. And today I have come before you neither capacity of a leader, not in the capacity of a member of any organization, nor in the capacity of a worker of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Today I have come only in the capacity of a common man of India. So my nation comes first for me, and I am ready to do whatever I have to do save the nation. But the kind of events that are going on in West Bengal, there is no need to tell about it, because today everybody knows very well that what happened in Kolkata. The whole country is definitely aware of this crime, aware of it, aware of the misdeed like rape and murder. How from 9th of August till today, Mamata Banerjee ji has made this crime a matter of her prestige. And to maintain the prestige, more atrocities are being committed on people every day. Not on only the people there, but the gentlemen of the whole country are living today because the way the violence and burning talks are happening in the whole country. Every person is scared of it. The whole country is aware about Mamata Banerjee, how dictatorship rules there and how she is involved in this heinous crime. The action being taken to save the criminals in crime, and that is state, and against the one who speaks only a single word against the crime, is the height of dictatorship. The whole country is watching how the constitution has been trampled underfoot in West Bengal. So I request you that till the date, I have never spoken or thought comparative of any comparative statements on these of type of sensitive cases. This is very sensitive crime, and I have never spoken and I have never compared to same crimes. But today, with great sorrow and a heavy heart, I want to tell you that the Nirbhaya case was nothing in front of this. And the way Mamta Banerjee is engaged with full force to save criminals, and the entire India alliance, the power of constitution is not seeing this today. The constitution is being murdered, and no leader of the opposition, no leader of the India alliance has given even a single statement. This is matter of a great concern. As a citizen of the country, this crisis is visible on the entire nation. It is not just a crisis of the country. It is a crisis of the nation. Because all the opposition parties unite and give cover fire on each other. So it is undoubtedly a big crisis. But whatever the nation has faced a crisis, the citizens of India has played a very important role in dealing with it. Or we can say that the group of citizens means society, matlab ki samaj, has played a very important role. So I also request all the citizens of the nation, country, that please that now only the country is not enough to stop these type of misdeeds that are happening with our daughters and sisters. In this, two power of the nation is committed to play a very important role and gives strength to the nation. The country gives strength to the country. The responsibility of protecting the society lies with the country. Only then the nation can be freed from such heinous crimes. Here is important thing is that when society, first society, second country, and third nation are strong together in single thread, then we are become to make a garland for our Mother India and offer it to her. And the garland is too powerful and strong that it can be used against any. No energy, element, or any power of any other country can let the head of our Mother India bow down. So I request you that seeing the entire incident, the entire scene, I can say the future of our country is in danger today. So I demand from our Prime Minister, our Home Minister, sir, that President's rule should be imposed in West Bengal. This is not only my demand but the demand of the entire country. Gentlemen, this is not a general crime, and these type of cases are increasing day by day. And most of these cases you can see in West Bengal, and there is no law, there is no constitution. There is only one constitution, that is Mamata Banerjee's. And many times we have seen one heinous crime, then another heinous crime, then another heinous crime. But this time, I can say this is the highest heinous crime. Broad heinous crime. So I request you that, sir, please, now the time has come to impose President's rule on West Bengal. I personally demand you, and I can say you can ask and you can see on the on media, through the media, through the social media, everyone is saying that please impose President's rules. There is no option. No transparency is seen in this case from 9th of August till today. We all know that what is going on in that case. So, sir, please impose President's rules in West Bengal. This is voice of whole nation. Thank you very much.